Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're adding a touch of simple elegance to our sewing projects with a beautiful border pattern. To get started, you'll need some fabric. I'm using this lovely dark blue checked cotton, some embroidery floss in a complementary color, a needle, and some scissors. First, we need to prepare our fabric. I'm simply folding the edge of my fabric about ½ inch inwards. Oh, and if you want to add some extra sparkle, grab some beads as well. Now let's thread our needle with 2 strands of embroidery floss. I'm using a light gray color that complements the blue fabric beautifully. Don't forget to knot the end of your floss. We'll be using the blanket stitch to create our border pattern. Continue stitching the blanket stitch along the edge of the fabric. Now for a touch of sparkle, I'm adding a small bead between each triangle. Creating a series of evenly spaced triangles. Try to keep your stitches consistent in size and spacing for a neat and polished look. This one's perfect for adding a subtle detail to garments or home decor. It's surprisingly easy to create, even for beginners. And there you have it, a beautiful and simple border pattern that's perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to your projects. Imagine this delicate border adorning the neckline of a dress, the cuffs of a blouse, or even the hem of a skirt. It's a versatile stitch that can be used on a variety of garments and fabrics. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sewing and embroidery inspiration. Happy stitching!